Most people think of spiders, flies, or mosquitoes when they think of insects. But the world of insects is large, as there are more than 1 million insect species on Earth that we know of. While many of these are crawlers, there are also a lot of flyers. Many of them have probably been in your home at some point. In this article, we'll take a look at some flying insects so you can easily identify them. The Christmas beetle is a beautiful flying insect found in many parts of the world. It is especially common in Australia, where it is often seen flying around Christmas trees. The beetle has a shiny, hard shell and can be in different colors, including red, green, or brown. It has large eyes and long antennae. As a herbivore, it feeds on leaves. The Christmas beetle is a popular insect in Australia and is often kept as a pet. It is also considered to be a good luck charm by many people. The Christmas beetle is not harmful to humans and is not known to carry any diseases. The hummingbird moth is one of the most beautiful flying insects in the world. It is a member of the Sphingidae family and is found in North America, Europe, and Asia. The adult moth has a wingspan of 3 to 4 inches, 7.5 to 10 centimeter, and is black with white stripes on its abdomen. Its hindwings are clear with a dark band at the margin. It flies during the day and is attracted to flowers, where it hovers in front of them to drink nectar using its long proboscis. The caterpillar of the hummingbird moth is green with white stripes running along its body. It feeds on a variety of plants, including honeysuckle, lilac, and cherry. When it is ready to pupate, the caterpillar spins a cocoon in which it spends the winter. In the spring, the adult moth emerges from the cocoon and begins its search for mates. The cotton harlequin bug, scientific name Harmonia exiritus, is a beautiful flying insect. It is black and white in color, with black spots on its wings. While native to Asia, it has been introduced to North America, Europe, and Australia. This species of bug is considered an agricultural pest in some areas, as it feeds on a variety of crops, including cotton, soybeans, and corn. The cotton harlequin bug is a member of the family Coccinellidae, which includes ladybugs and other similar species. The cotton harlequin bug gets its name from the fact that it often feeds on cotton plants. This bug is most commonly found in the southern United States, but can be found in other parts of the world as well. It is a relatively new species in North America, having only been introduced in the late 1970s. The cuckoo wasps are small, solitary wasps found in gardens and parks across Europe. They get their name from their habit of laying eggs in the nests of other insects, such as bees and wasps. Wasps in this genus are known for their vibrant colors, spanning from emerald green to deep blue. Cuckoo wasps are parasitic insects, meaning they live off the host insect. When the cuckoo wasp lays its eggs in the nest of another insect, the larvae hatch and feed on the host's food. This can kill the host insect or damage its health. The green milkweed locust is found in many parts of the world. It gets its name from the green color of its body and the milkweed plant that it eats. The locust is a member of the grasshopper family and is related to the crickets. The green milkweed locust is about 2 inches long and has a wingspan of 3 to 4 inches. The body is green with black stripes running along the sides. The hind legs are long and powerful, allowing the locust to jump great distances. The rosy maple moth is a beautiful flying insect that is native to North America. This moth gets its name from the rosy color of its body and the maple tree leaves that it often feeds on. It is a small moth, with a wingspan of only 2 to 3 centimeters. Even though they are small, these moths are easy to spot because of their vibrant pink or light purple colors. These moths are active during the day and are often seen flying around flowers in search of nectar. The rosy maple moth has a lifespan of only 2 to 3 weeks. During this time, The moth will mate and lay its eggs on the undersides of maple leaves 3. The eggs hatch into caterpillars, which will then feed on the leaves for about 2 weeks before pupating into moths. Although the rosy maple moth is not considered a pest, its caterpillars can sometimes cause damage to maple trees. The golden tortoise beetle is a beautiful, iridescent insect that is found in North America. These beetles are named for their striking gold and red colors, which resemble a tortoise shell. While they are mostly found in the eastern United States, they can also be found in parts of Canada and Mexico. These beetles are fairly small, only reaching about 1 or 2 inches in length. They have a rounded shape, and their wings are attached to their bodies at an angle, giving them a somewhat triangular appearance. The golden tortoise beetle is not capable of flying, but it can walk or crawl very quickly. The bumblebee is a large flying insect that resembles a big honeybee, and it can be identified by its furry body and distinctive yellow and black bands. You will often find bumblebees feeding on pollen and nectar that they take back to their nests. However, bumblebees don't make quantities of honey like honeybees. Unlike honeybees, bumblebees live in nests in smaller colonies. They only store small amounts of food in the nest. Also, bumblebees have a wider body and fuzzier appearance compared to honeybees. Similar to honeybees, bumblebees have pollen sacs on their hind legs. The name bumblebee literally means to buzz, hum, or move clumsily. This descriptive name accurately depicts their bumble behavior, as they feed on flower pollen and nectar. Bumblebees generally grow around 0.617 meter long. Carpenter bees are big black flying insects that look like bumblebees only without the characteristic yellow bands. They include 2 types. The large carpenter bee, Xylocopa, which is a big black bee with fuzzy thorax, a shiny body, 6 legs, and 2 pairs of wings. The small carpenter bee, Ceratina, also has characteristics of carpenter bees, but they have a slender greenish-black metallic body. Carpenter bees have the habit of burrowing into dead wood to create nesting tunnels. They can cause property damage if they drill into wood structures to create nests and lay eggs. Big black bees don't live in colonies like bumblebees. For example, carpenter bees are solitary insects, and there is only 1 female in a nest. Large black carpenter bees measure 0.7 inch 20 meter long. The fungus gnat is a tiny black flying insect, identified by its behavior around houseplants. The black flying bugs have dark wings and tend to fly when infected plants are disturbed. Although they are not harmful to plants, the flies can be annoying as they fly around your face. Fungus gnats measure 0.08 inch to 0.3 inch to 8 millimeter long.